To my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? Forest Guardian 3D catalyst of the renewal game available now. So guys, this is the more important video and you will be complete to be reach levels. So guys, this is the everything more easily now, not to be anything hard, just to be request you be end of watching this video. Totally guide to you, totally helping to you every time, every day. Many of people asking me, Saddam brother, you will be making video about this game. So today I will be making video about this game. So please request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, I'm be already download this game and to be completely guide to you, because sometimes people not to be understand how to will be complete to be these games and like you will be checking second levels I will be complete now. So I will be tell to you level 3 to be starting now. Okay, to be using these options and before like be okay claim now. Tap to on these screens, claim now level 3 to be starting now. Level 5 unlock now. Okay, okay, level 4 starting now, because this is the more everything easily know, not to be anything hard, because completely guide to you and you will be easily to be complete to be your games, just to be like be in your hands, also to be all of coins now. Okay, I will be click him words have on this stage. Could be try on this stage. You will be checking on this stage now. Five levels I will be completed now. So guys, this is the everything more easily now, only 5 minutes to be and be easily complete to be these games. So you will be also to be easily complete now, just to be playing a little of this game. I will be show you how to you will be more on screens, just to be little like be explain you all about these games. Okay, okay, because if you have more coins, so then you will be earn more coins. Okay, you will be checking now. This time I have nothing coins, so I will be show you something. You will be see on stage 3. So stage 3 give me lots of coins, you will be checking now. Oh my god, it's okay, no problem. Okay, you will be checking now and using to be x5. If your options to be using x5, so then you will be earn double coins, you will be earn now, but this time they're not to be working. So I need to be again searching on the cd, because I need it to be coins, so I will be using stages options. Okay, you will be checking now. I needed to more coins, so I will be claiming on. You will be checking now. Back to move here, and I have to be coins, so I will be starting to be again games because I need to be coins. So you will be checking now. Level 6 I will be completed too, so this time you will be easily complete to be this game, and I hope you will be understand now. So thank you so much for you watching my video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be helping to you every time, every day. Thank you so much always to supporting me because I will be helping to you, and you will be easily to be complete to be your task. Okay, so this type this game and you will be understand now.